Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hello, how are you all? Hope you are doing fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIV's Home School, and I am Muhammad Ariful Islam, Assistant Teacher of English, National Aided English Version School Morning Shift. Today I am going to take an English class for class 1 students. Or today's topic, oral sheet practice. So let's see. Class 1, subject English, topic oral sheet practice, term annual. Lecture 13, no SW today. Teacher Ariful Islam. This is my mobile number and today's date. So my dear students, before going to the oral sheet, I want to say something. So oral sheet is, you have to memorize the oral sheet very carefully, and in the exam, we the teachers will ask you 5 or 6 questions. I will give you 15 questions in the oral sheets, and we will ask you at least 5 or 6 questions, and you have to answer the questions orally. So this is called oral sheet. Okay, so let's start our oral sheet. Class 1, subject English, sheet for the oral test to annual examination 2020. Question number 1, why can't Peter get out of bed? Answer: Peter can't get out of bed because he is ill. Number 2, what does Ali show Peter? Answer: Ali shows Peter a toy. Number 3, how is Toto? Answer: Toto is very clever. This is not clever, this is clever. Okay, we will not pronounce R. Number 4, what does Rohan want to play? Answer: Rohan wants to play football. Number 5, where do the bears sleep all winter? Answer: the bears sleep all winter in their caves. Number 6, how does the sun shine in summer? Answer: the sun shines brightly in summer. Number 7, where do Rohan and Zara sleep in winter? Answer: Rohan and Zara sleep under thick blankets in winter. Number 8, what do the birds do in winter? Answer: the birds leave their homes and fly to warm places in winter. Number 9, how do the flowers smell? The flowers do not smell sweet. So my dear students, don't be confused. In your oral sheet, I have made these corrections. Okay, so you do not need to make corrections. I have made corrections in your oral sheet. So the flowers do not smell sweet. 10, what does Zara wear in winter? Answer: Zara wears a yellow sweater in winter. Number 11, who pulled and pushed the merry-go-round? Answer: Mr. Jones pulled and pushed the merry-go-round. Next page. Number 12, who goes round and round the whole day? Answer: the merry-go-round goes round and round the whole day. 13, how did the merry-go-round move? Answer: the merry-go-round moved slowly. Number 14, what are the flowers in Rishi's room made of? Answer: the flowers in Rishi's room are made of paper. 15, where should we play in summer? Answer: we should play indoors on summer days. So number 16, what is Rishi doing? Answer: Rishi is reading a book. So that's all for today, my dear students. I'm not giving you any SW today. So read the oral sheet very carefully, read the alt unit, question answer, fill the blanks, MCQ, word meanings very carefully, and take a good preparations for the annual examinations. So that's all for today. Keep practicing at home. Have a great time. Stay safe, stay well. See you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.